Hello friends, welcome to Align Pattern. Today we will learn questions asked in High Court IBPS PO. Let's continue our computer awareness question and answer segment which we have left on previous video. If you haven't seen that video, I will provide link in the description box. Please do like and subscribe the channel and do motivate me to create such videos. So, let's start the segment. Question number 1. Which among the following was the first computer developed in India? A. Param, B. Siddharth, C. IBM 370, D. Craven. Answer is B. Siddharth. First computer made in India is Siddharth, which was manufactured by Electronic Corporation of India, installed in the main post office of Bangalore on August 16, 1986. We all know computer is an electronic machine that helps to process data used in various fields such as education, home, medicine, science and technology, research, designing, publishing and communication, etc. Question number 2. The binary equivalent of decimal number 98 is. Answer is 110010. We all know the conversion of decimal number system to binary number system. Let's rewind the concept once again. For example, consider this decimal number 98 which has base 10. If we want to change in binary number system, then bases also get changes to 2. This is because computer understand only the language of binary digits 0 and 1. Divide 98 by 2 to get the quotient. Keep the whole part for the next step and set the remainder aside. Divide the whole part of the quotient from step 1 by 2. Again keep the whole part and set the remainder aside. Repeat the step 2 until the whole part is 0. Write down the remainder in reverse order to get the answer to 98 as a binary. The decimal number 98 converted to binary is 110010. That is our result. Question number 3. Files are organized after sorting in. Answer is folders. Basically, a file is the common storage unit in a computer, and all programs and data are written into a file and read from a file. A folder is the virtual location for applications, documents, data or other subfolders. A folder holds one or more files and a folder can be empty until it is filled. A folder can also contain other folders and there can be many level of folders within folders. Question number 4. The advantage of using spreadsheet is A. Calculating can be done automatically. B. Changing data automatically updates calculations. C. More flexibility. D. All the above. And the answer is all the above. A spreadsheet is a computer application for computation, organization, analysis and storage of data in a tabular form. Spreadsheets are armed with countless functions to help you extract almost any data related information. Additionally, they provide you the ability to use simple functions to process data in a complex ways. Spreadsheets are not only useful for inputting, tracking, storing and analyzing data, but also they are a useful tool used greatly for forecasting and modeling information. Question number 5. Time sharing become possible in direct generation of computers. Answer is in second generation. In today's generation, multiple users served by computer at the same time. Time sharing is possible with the second generation of computers throughout operating system, where technology progressed towards the goal of squeezing more and more performance from computers, and as a result, time sharing technology is immersed. Question number 6. The desktop of a computer refers to. Answer is visible screen. The desktop is the primary user interface, or we can say the display area of computer. When you boot up your computer, the desktop is display after startup process is complete. It includes the desktop wallpaper and icons of files and folders as the kind of object one might find on top of a physical desk, including documents, phone books, telephones, reference sources, writing and drawing tools and project folders, etc. Question number 7. Attributes can be defined for. Attributes can be defined for entity. Real world object is called as entity. Entity can be single thing, person, place or object. For example, in a school database, student, teachers, classes and courses offers can be considered as entities. All these entities have some attributes or properties that give them their identity. All attributes have values. For example, a student entity may have name, class and age as attributes. Question number 8. A typical modern computer uses. A typical modern computer uses LSI chips. LSI is nothing but the large-scale integration. This is the process of integrating or embedding thousands of transistors on a single silicon semiconductor microchip. LSI technology was conceived in the mid-1970s when computer processor microchips were under development. Question number 9. Which software tool that lets one enter, calculate, manipulate set of numbers? Answer is spreadsheet. As we know, a spreadsheet is a computer application for computation, organization, analysis and storage of data in a tabular form. The program operates on data entered in a cell of a table. Each cell may contain either numeric or text data or the result of formulas that automatically calculate and display a value based on the contents of other cells. Spreadsheet is also referring to as an electronic document. Question number 10. Octal number equivalent to binary number 110101 to the base 2 is. Answer is 65. Octal number system has the base 8. Since there are only 8 symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, in octal representation system, there is a simple direct method to convert a binary number to octal number. It represents each digit of octal in a group of 3 bits in a binary number. If you make each group of 3 bits of binary input number, then replace each group of binary number from its equivalent octal digits. This method is simple and also works as reverse of octal to binary conversion. Basically, the steps is: take a binary number, divide the binary digit into groups of 3 starting from right for integer part and start from left for fraction part. This is the integer part. Convert each group of 3 binary digits to 1 octal digits. Question number 11. When you install a new program on your computer, it is typically added to the dash. Answer is in all program menu. The all program folders leads to every program installed on the computer. In Windows 7 and older operating system, the most frequently used programs are listed in the left section of the start menu, with the folder all programs near the bottom left corner. Question number 12. In Windows NT, NT stands for. Answer is new technology. Windows NT is a proprietary graphical operating system produced by Microsoft, the first version of which was released on July 27, 1993. NT was formally expanded to new technology but no longer carries any specific meaning. Starting with Windows 2000, NT was removed from the product name and is only included in the product versions string along with several low-level places within the system. Question number 13. You can create hyperlinks from the Excel workbook to a web page on company internet, B, a web page on the internet, C, other Office 97 application documents, D, all the above. Answer is all the above. Question number 14. What type of information system will be recognized by digital circuits? A. Hexadecimal system, B. Binary system, C. Both A and B, D. Only Roman system. Answer is both A and B. Question number 15. Dash shows how the contents on printed page will appear with margin, header and footer. Answer is page layout. Page layout is the term used to describe how each page of your document will appear when it is printed. In Word, page layout includes elements such as the margin, the number of columns, how headers and footers appear. Question number 16. To perform calculation on stored data, computers uses dash number system. Answer is binary number system. Computers manipulate and store all of their data using the binary number system. Binary numbers are made up of the numbers 1 and 0. A binary or base 2 number system is one in which 2 digits are used to represent numbers. Question number 17. Who was the founder of Bluetooth? Answer is Ericsson was the founder of Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology standard that is used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distances from 2.402 to 2.48 GHz. It is mainly used as an alternative to wire connection network. The name was proposed by Jim Kardach, who developed a successful communication system between a mobile device and computer using this technology. Question number 18. Technology used to provide internet by transmitting data over wires of telephone network is. Answer is DSL. DSL is nothing but digital subscriber line, which is a technology for bringing high bandwidth information to homes and small businesses over ordinary copper telephone lines. In short, DSLs are high-speed internet connection that use standard telephone lines. DSL uses the standard twisted pair telephone lines that comes into every home for normal telephone services. Question number 19. Full form of URL is. Answer is Uniform Resource Locator. A URL is a unique identifier used to locate a resource on the internet. It is also referred to as the web address. URLs consist of multiple parts, including a protocol and domain name, that tell a web browser how and where to retrieve a resource. For example, this is the URL of YouTube channel Align Pattern. Go and check my all videos to get more scores in your exam. I'll provide link in the description box. Question number 20. If a computer provides database services to other, then it will be known as. Answer is database server. A database server is a server which uses a database application that provides database services to other computer programs or to computers. Users access a database server either through a front end running on the user's computer which displays requested data, or through the back end which runs on the server and handles tasks such as data analysis and storage. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel Align Pattern for more such content. See you in the next video.